Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Ọlọ́run nínú àná àtúbọ̀ jẹ́ ká kẹjẹrẹ gbogbo wa. Nínú Modorisha yìí, wọ́n ní iṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ iṣẹ́ tó lágbára gan ni.
Ó ní agbára jù.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ ni wọ́n fi encourage àwọn obìnrin.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ẹ̀yin náà tẹ́ tún jẹ́ ìyá wa. Ojú yín náà ti rí díẹ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́kùnrin àbí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ mọ̀ bó ṣe máa ń mo fẹ́ sọ púpọ̀ mà. Bọ́ kí lẹ lè ní sọ fún gbogbo obìnrin tó wà ní orílẹ̀ gbogbo àgbáyé yìí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ bí èèyàn ṣe ń ṣe bóyá bá ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ ajé bá ṣe ń tọ́jú ilé bá ṣe máa tọkùnrin máa ṣe oríṣiríṣi kí ni kọ́kọ́ mọ́kàn kan ṣọ̀kan gírí àbí báwo ni.
Àwa iná àti rí díẹ̀ nínú torí àwọn ọkùnrin nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe ó yẹ kí wọ́n máa ṣe sùúrù àbí kò yé yín sórí pé téèyàn bá ní sùúrù èèyàn kan máa ṣí káàkiri èmi náà mo tún kọ́gbọ́n torí nígbà tí mo wà lọ́dọ̀ bàbá ẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ojú mi rí àmọ́ mo wá dúpẹ́ lọ́jọ́ tèmi pé sùúrù tí mo ní ó gbè mí bí ilẹ̀ ní fojú sunkún ẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo yín náà lẹ́yìn lè máa sin wá àní fojú sunkún yín lágbára Ọlọ́run àtàwọn àbúrò ẹ̀ ọdún tó ṣe lánàá kò wá tún aṣọ̀pọ̀ ọdún kò ní fẹ́ lè ṣàṣemọ́ mo tún wá ń gbàdúrà fún pé Ọlọ́run bá mi fọmọ kọ́mọ fún dára sí máyẹ̀ kójú òun nìkan jẹ́ kó rọ̀wọ̀ rí lẹ́yìn lágbára Ọlọ́run.
This is Kemi Afolabi's mom. She's so handsome and beautiful.
Wow! Modorisha!
Did you participate in Modorisha movie?
No, I was not around then. I was supposed to be there, but I was not around.
You were not around. You went for another.
I was at another location then. Yeah.
Can you say one or two things? Do you understand one or two things you can say about Modorisha?
You guys see it too. You know it's a fantastic movie now. I just want to tell you guys to watch out for it. It's a very fantastic movie. And no guy, no male, no man in there. In the movie, you understand? It's just female, woman, lady, girl. Go where. You understand? Our baby, you get. That's the thing. So you guys should watch out for the movie. It's coming out soon. I think it's out. They are selling this year already.
Okay.
Yeah, so you guys should watch out for it.
Okay, you say you are not around. You came to support Kemi Afolabi.
Yeah, can you see the outfit?
Oh, I can see.
So my name is Modorisha Adeola. Yeah, you guys.
Packaging.
Yeah.
I can imagine.
Hi, my name is Modorisha Adeola. Arike Gold. You guys should keep watching Gua TV. Don't touch it, please don't touch it. I love you. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching our video. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's